As you can see, here a cavity on the chewing surface of the tooth appears. The tooth is prepared to receive the filling. The filling is then placed and tooth anatomy carved.
This movie demonstrates how a small cavity is restored with a composite filling. The decay may be of various sizes. With a composite filling, only a small amount of tooth structure needs to be removed, just enough to remove the decay. Here, no undercuts are required as with an amalgam filling. The prepared area is then filled with the composite material. And cured with a high-intensity light. Finally, it is polished to
Sometimes teeth are lost, for one reason or another. Although a lost tooth is never replaceable naturally, there are options to correct the problem. One of these options is a bridge. Other options are an implant or a partial. In the absence of a tooth in the empty space, neighboring teeth can move to fill it in. They can push in from the top or bottom, or tip in from the sides. A bridge will prevent this from occurring while providing a new tooth to chew food and make your mouth whole again. A bridge consists of both a false tooth, called a pontic, and the anchors that support the pontic. The entire structure spans the space vacated by the missing tooth. To make room for the bridge, the teeth first need to be prepared. An equal amount of structure is removed from each tooth. An impression is taken and sent to the dental lab where the bridge is built. The structural part of the bridge is created with a strong metal alloy that can handle the anticipated stresses. Tooth-like porcelain is then fused to the structure. Once the fit of the bridge is tested and assured, the bridge is cemented to the teeth. At home, it is up to you to take care of your new bridge. It is particularly important to clean the space under the bridge. Flossing helps clean away destructive bacteria. A floss threader must be used since the bridge is solid. With proper care of your bridge, including brushing, flossing, regular dental hygiene, and checkups, a bridge can last for many years and can restore that whole mouth feeling.
This movie demonstrates the replacement of several posterior teeth with a partial denture. After extractions, the tissues will atrophy. For best support and fit, small preparations are made on the teeth. These are called rests. The rests are very small and shallow, and the teeth that are adjacent to the missing tooth space are prepared. The partial denture replaces the teeth and the atrophied gums on both sides, and the two sides are connected by a thin metal bar. These tooth-supported dentures have metal extensions that fit perfectly into the rest preparations, and therefore the denture rests on the teeth and not on the gums. The denture also has clasps that fit around the teeth to keep the dentures in place.
For gold inlays, the decay is removed by a drill, then an impression is taken and a gold inlay is fabricated in the lab. At the second appointment, the inlay is fitted and all the rough edges are trimmed. Gold inlays are even stronger than ceramic inlays because of the unbreakable nature of gold alloy. The only drawback is the color.